Okay, so I ordered my new projector, and let's find out. Alrighty. That's in there. Look at that, it's so reflective you can see the ring light in it. That's kind of cool. Flat black. I like the box. Alright. Let's see, where do I want to pop the plastic at? Oh, this plastic is so tight I can't even find like a good corner to tear it. I don't even want to pop it. Alright, well, we're going to start in the corner. There's actually a padding in the lid. Like you can see part of the padding got scuffed right there in transit. But this is actually like a foam padding inside the lid. That's actually really quality, honestly. Here's the quick start guide. Feel free to pause it if you want to zoom or read in on any of this. I'm just going to make sure it's clear for a second and move on. Or at least try to make sure it's clear. It's kind of a weird angle for me. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then you get the full-on user manual. I'm not going to go through all that. It's pretty basic user manual. Whatever. I'll look through that later. I am digging this box, I got to be honest. So there's the projector. It's a FATORK. FATORK. I don't know how they want their name pronounced, but seems pretty compact. There's the ports on the back. See if I can. Huh. Okay. So it's got USB, auxiliary, DC input, I guess that's where your power comes in, and an HDMI. So basically it's just HDMI and USB. Not sure what this one on the side is. There we go. I don't know. That's what the user manual's for. This is all padded on the inside as well. Got a nice cushion to hold it. Gotta give them props on the package, honestly. So, oh, and the top, it's got the push button controls on the top for volume and navigating the menu. So now, I'm just putting my fingers in those holes and I'm just pulling this straight up. Putting fingers in holes, right? It's what we all want to do. Okay, so it's two separate boxes on the sides, and then the foam was just in the middle. So I'll put the foam back. Let's find out. I'm assuming these are the power cords and stuff. Yep. There's the power cord. Pretty much what you would expect from a power cord. So yeah, plugs in straight to the very back, straight in the back of it. It's supposed to have a 2.5 hour battery life, which for video. So I mean, it says 6 hours for music, but I don't think I'm going to use it for just music. You know, it's a projector. We project. It's for video. So, yep, so this bigger box, this side is going to be, there's an HDMI cord. Came with a kind of generic HDMI cord. And, oh, it's a stand. And, of course, the remote. We'll go ahead and do the remote. Assume it takes batteries that it didn't come with. So, this is a little stand. And it's got a screw right in the bottom there. You just twist this sucker right there into the bottom of it, and you got a stand for the projector. That's cool. Sorry, my light's really bright. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that's a little better. Yeah, I like that one. So anyway. At least I know the tape works. There we go. Yeah. 2 AAAs on the remote. Pretty basic. Got all the normal controls, home and back and menu and volume and all that shit. Yep. So that looks to be it. That is all the box. So you get the HDMI cord. You get the remote, of course. You get the power cord. And then you get your projector. And the stand to screw on the bottom of it. Which, you know, if you're trying to get a size comparison as far as my hand is concerned, it's the size of my hand. You know? It's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not heavy. I mean, you know, you could use it as a paperweight. Yeah, there's a lot of glare off this light. I might not have to do this out here again. Alright, well, I'm going to charge it and check it out, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so it's dark enough now. I went ahead and set it up, and I put a screen out here on the porch, so I at least have something decent to put the screen, you know, blasted against. And something I've noticed now, I put batteries in the remote, and look, it will not turn on. It is fully charged. It has a full battery. But the power button, I mean, nothing. It will not turn on. And no, I wasn't impatient, just pushing a million times. Like, it just doesn't work. And even hitting the power button up top, nothing. I mean, it just will not turn on, even with a full battery. But I've got the power cord plugged in here to my PlayStation. I got an extension cord and everything here, so we're gonna plug it in. Now that it's plugged in, turns right on, no issues. Screen is good. It actually projects a little faster and wider than my other projector does. It automatically flattens the screen for you. It's kind of cool. If you like move it around, you'll see it popping. Like, see if I can get it, like, see how it just suddenly switches? It automatically does that. I'm not doing that. I'm just moving the projector around, and it is automatically flattening it to the surface. Then on the side here, see if I can, yeah, right there is a rolling bar that you can, let me zoom in so you can see what's going on here. You can use that rolling bar to adjust the clarity. See how, so you just roll it till you get it to the clarity that you like. And on my, I don't know if on the camera that looks good, but in person that is very fine. Like, it's got very good detail. I can read everything clearly. The definition on that is really good. So you can use that for that. Yeah, the back here's got an HDMI and a USB besides the DC port. And the auxiliary ports on that side. Now it says on the home screen here, screencast, and they say you can do screencast. But I've gone through that menu, and I've gone through the menu on my phone. I'm using an Android Motorola, and I have not been able to connect to it yet. I have not been able to screencast. I've been trying, and it just does not find it. Like, I turn the screencast on this projector using the menu, and it says, okay, look for this device on your phone, and then I go to screencast on my phone, and it doesn't find any devices. So I don't know what's going on there. So you have to plug it in to turn it on. Now I will show you, you can unplug it, and it'll stay on. And it says up in the corner, full battery, it's going good. And it'll go for apparently about 2 hours. I haven't tested that theory yet, but you have to plug it in to turn it on, as far as I can tell. I haven't been able to turn it on without plugging it in first. And then I just unplug it if I want to use the battery, which is kind of weird. That doesn't help for, like, if I'm in a car or something. And something else you should know, this is the HDMI cord it came with. And it's a heavy duty, good, solid HDMI cord. I mean, it's hefty for a cord, and it's heavier than this. So when you plug it in, the weight of it can pull it back. You got to be careful with the stand. Sometimes you maybe got to throw a weight on the front bar or something just to keep it from going. I'll try to show you what I'm talking about. Let me set the phone down for just a minute while I plug that into the back. There's my kitty cat. See if I can. Here's my baby. Okay, so anyway. So I plug this into the back, straight HDMI cord into the back. And yeah, you have to put the tripod with a solid base, otherwise it falls over, because this is really loose and flimsy. See, it's already wanting to tip. So I'm going to straighten that back up. But we'll, oops. Alright, doesn't matter. Alright, so I plugged it straight into my PlayStation. And let's see, use the remote. Switch it over to switch it to HDMI. And yeah, working good on the HDMI. Brought everything up fine there. See, alright, well, this isn't a good video to show you the sound quality, but you can see the video quality is good. Here, let's see.
Lord Chargington requires less routine maintenance than most other gentlemen.
I got a load full of paprika, garlic, black pepper, and salt for the all-new bread and cream
Oh my
chicken
God.
sandwich.
Alright, I don't want to watch that. There we go. It's easy. Quality's pretty good. A little bit. Oh look, Fleur can hurt herself. She's like, hey, that's me when I was a baby. So anyway, it's good quality. I'm pretty happy with it. The retail said like 700 something, but I bought it Black Friday, so I only paid like $2. So yeah. Well, anyway, I'm getting off topic now.